Hey everyone, it's Greg here. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of my favorite barbecue books, the ones that I started using when I first started grilling and barbecuing, and really the ones that I still use today. And then also, I'm curious about what are your favorite or go-to barbecue books or grilling books that you've used to help get where you're at. So hopefully, it's two things. I can learn from you and maybe some of the newer people that are still learning how to grill and barbecue might get some ideas of some other resources that are available. Obviously, we have our website and we share recipes and tips out there, but we know there's a lot of great resources out there. So, the one that really got me started, I don't know if there's a lot of people out here that follow Stephen Raichlen. He's got a few shows on PBS. I started following him probably about 10 or 11 years ago, and his show Primal Grill, and you can still find things out there about him. He's everywhere. If you don't follow him on social media, I suggest you do. He's got some great stuff. But the first book that I actually got was How to Grill. And this is one I still refer to today all the time. Like the pages are falling out. It's got great tips in there. It's got also some good recipes in there. So I still use it all the time. It's probably my go-to for if I'm thinking about something different or if I'm thinking about kind of going back to the basics. That's the one I go to. Also, I have pretty much a handful of his books. So his other book that he has, Barbecue BBQ USA. So basically, it goes through every state, and he picks out certain recipes. So I like to use this one a lot for something different, vegetables, desserts, even going into like different types of rubs and sauces. So that's a really good one. Again, I kind of this pages are falling out. I've had it for a long time. And then other ones I've been given as gifts. One I really liked and I just got last Christmas was this Fire and Wine. Now it goes with kind of barbecue and then pairing it with different wines. But I just like to learn about kind of what the different flavor profiles might be and how they might just be a little different based off of kind of also the beverage that you're drinking. So I know there's ones out there like this that you can pair beers and whiskey and that kind of stuff. So that's always good to have in the back pocket. And then again, another Stephen Reichlin book, bold, healthy, flavorful. So this one has a little bit more of a health kick to it. It gives you a lot of more vegetable-based recipes, a lot more fish based recipes. So I like it a lot. And I use it maybe a few times a year and refer back to it for if I'm looking for something different. Um, those are the big books that I use. I know there's a lot of resources and tips out there, YouTube people, and then also just websites. Some of our competitors out there. Meat Church, a great resource there. Another one on PBS, Aaron Franklin, a lot of people are familiar with. So I know he's got kind of like a master class online that you can go and sign up for. But Myron Mixon, all these other great barbecuers out there is where I get a lot of tips and resources from too. So um, just like you, I'm still learning and learning about this process. So even though we've been doing it for over 10 years. But yeah, I'd love to hear what books or what resources you all have for grilling and barbecuing. So, post those down below and let's share with each other. Appreciate it.